2051 Chevrolet Styleline Special two-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Aspen Green, paint code 448, original color of this car. Paint does show its age some. We'll get into that in just a little bit. Underneath the hood, 216 inline six-cylinder, paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Let's take a little peek at the chrome and the bright work up front. You can see chrome does have a little pitting. This is one of those cars. Drive it the way it is, have some fun with it, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. This is a popular body style. We see a lot of street rotting, customs done, so kind of one of those. Either way, paint does show its age some. By that I just mean, there's spots where it's thin, there's imperfections. Windshield visor. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking at the still pictures. It appears this car is awful solid, looking up and down passenger side, driver's side, lower rockers, around the wheel wells. So like I said, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a peek at the Chevrolet wheel covers. Also quite a few extra things that are going to come with this. This car was actually in the same family for 20 plus years. And they decided it's time to find a new owner. So here it is. So around those wheel wells, looking good, but manuals, repair manuals, shop manuals, and reference manuals. I'll show you in just a second here as we look down the passenger side of this car and those lower rockers. We did get a dinger here in that rock protector. But over here, some trim pieces, again manuals. There's some headlights, some boxes inside that box. Valve covers, a tailpipe, a couple tires. We'll put those all back in the trunk and go with the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple small battle wounds there. And again, all the still pictures, every angle of the car, the underside, trunk, interior, UniqueClassicCars.com. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And if you like these early 50s Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. One of those examples is this mirror. We have what's called the passing eye right here. So you can look to it, behind it, see in front of it. So you old school hot rodders, that's one I don't know if I've seen before. Obviously would have had something to do with seeing in front of you or behind you. How about a little explanation down in the comments? Somebody that had one of those back in the day remembers when they were being sold, and exactly how useful are they. And again, lower rockers around those wheel wells, looking good. Let's check out this interior. Interior of this car would have been originally gray striped cloth. Shifter on the column, door panels. Rubber flooring up front. So it appears the seats have been probably seat covers overlaid the way it looks. Again, drive it the way you see it. Take it to the next level. Headliner, not bad at all. Looks like it'd be the original headliner possibly even. All right, I did notice this key, a little deceiving. To the left is off. I click it to the center so it's kind of straight up and down. That is on. Choke out just a tad. Seemed to be the best for it. Starter button over here. And the baby pops right off. And you can barely hear it run. Quiet and smooth. Make sure we're in neutral. Here you get a look at the gauges. Looks like gas gauge is working. Oil pressure, temp gauge, battery. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Pretty smooth and quiet. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. That 216 inline 6, I did mention 6-volt system before. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. (1951) Chevrolet Styleline Special 2-door sedan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1951 Chevrolet 2-door. What would you say? This might be like a mint green. It's a very cool throwback color. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission car. It's easy to shift, easy to clutch. Smooth running car. I have the choke out just a little, and it loves that. It's running great. Like I was saying, just a flawless shift and a very smooth running engine. We have an added turn signal indicator attached to the column. It looks added, but honestly it also looks stock. But it does work. Left and right turn signals. The windshield wipers work on this car. Nice smooth ride down the road. It's really a refined ride. Comfortable, nice looking bench seats in this car. This car came clock equipped, and I do not see the hands moving, but that's a cool feature to have. Also, the special mirror on the side of this car, up on the top, I'm sure Jay talked about this, the passing eye, and it does work. I can see down the lane to my left, which would be the passing lane. If you're on a county road, you can see if someone's coming when you normally couldn't. The battery gauge is showing charging almost 3/4 of the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing half empty or half full. How do you see it? The temperature gauge is at half as well, and the oil pressure is showing about 40. I'm sorry, the oil pressure is showing 20. Let's see how she does on the circle. And now we're in second gear. Easy to steer, grip in the corner nicely. This car is just smooth on the road. Comfortable, easy to shift and drive, nice road manners. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you want to know about this 51 Chevrolet at UniqueClassicCars.com.